Hello, 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 Albanidis Konstantinos, and to this video, um, as a part of all those AI tools and AI applications that I'm showcasing, I have showed you so many nice applications like the Human Pal, AI Video Builder, and Flexclip. This one it has to do with Flexclip. I wanted to create a short video to showcase AI video builder. Okay, it's an amazing software from Paul Pona. I'm gonna show you to this promotional video that I'm creating how easy it is to do that. In fact, I used a prompt to search and uh, find out some more information from Google and from the main page of AI video builder and to create the whole script. So I have everything created from AI from Flexclip, and now you're gonna see that I'm in the middle of editing. I didn't want to keep this video long, so I wanted just to show you how easy it is to create the video editing and to add your scenes and to change anything you want to this video. To other videos, I showed you how easily you can make the subtitles bigger, smaller, change the colors and everything. Over here, you're gonna see that I have already, let me show you.
Templates across all themes. Customize your videos with amazing graphics and animations.
You see, I have added some footage so that it goes, it fits with the script, and it looks more natural. Let me show you.
Add engaging music and voiceovers to make your videos pop. Share your videos easily on social media platforms. Join thousands of happy users enjoying AI Video Builder today. Click the link in the description to learn more. Transform your video making experience effortlessly.
Okay, here I'm gonna show you. It's the call to action, as it say.
Click the link
Okay,
in the description to learn more.
this is nice. I'm not gonna change it.
Transform your video making experience effortlessly.
You see here the transform. I'm gonna show you now how you can change this video with one that you believe that it's better. I'm going straight to the videos here, and I'm gonna write transform video. Okay, let's see what we're gonna use. You see that one, it looks very interesting. Let's grab this one. I just drag and drop it exactly where I want to change it. You're gonna see that the video that I chose, it's longer than the subtitles and the video that I used before. So I just grab it from here, I take it back here, and we are done. Let's see now.
Transform your video making experience effortlessly.
Easy. Easy peasy. Okay, you see, it was very easy. Let's see now.
Don't miss out on creating stunning videos easily.
You see, that footage, I guess it doesn't fit well, so I'm gonna write here stunning videos. Stunning videos. Okay, let's see what's gonna show from the videos. You see, this one, it looks interesting. Okay, but I can choose even something else. Okay, that's full of advertisements, and it says stunning videos. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna write up videos. Let's see. Okay, that looks perfect. That looks much better. I'm gonna grab this one, drop it over here. You see again that the timeline, the video that I chose, it's 19 seconds, and the one that I needed, it's much shorter. It's about 3 seconds. So I'm gonna just grab it again, take it over here back to have it normal, and let's see it.
Don't miss out on creating stunning videos easily. Start your journey with AI Video Builder now.
Okay, it says journey, and you see that the AI grabbed something that it has to do with the journey, and those this couple is unpacking or packing. So we're gonna select happy app user, or maybe graphics designer, maybe, to see what's gonna show. Okay, you see that looks really very interesting, and even this girl over here looks very interesting. Or I could just select this lady. Let me see. Okay, I'm not I don't want to delay more. I believe even the first one, it was really nice. It was straight to the point. This one. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna put it over here, and as you can see, I'm gonna just take this one, take it back over here to be synchronized with the subtitles, and it's all done. Let's see that.
Start your journey with AI Video Builder now.
It's amazing, right? Okay, here it's the beginning.
Are you tired of spending hours creating video?
Here we can write frustrating. Okay, I always mess up with the word. It's frustrating to do that. User, PC user, maybe, just to see that. Okay, I can write unhappy PC user.
Уехала.
You see this guy? I'm gonna grab this guy, okay, and I'm gonna again take it from here. Okay, let me show you, and I'm gonna take it back here to see how easily I can create a very nice promotional
Are you tired
video.
of spending hours creating videos? Meet AI Video Builder.
You see, it looks really amazing. Let's see if we can do something different with the music. Let's try audio settings. I can select the audio. I can go over here to audio. You see, I can select anything else that I want from those. It's some of those that it's proposing to me to use, but I can choose anything I want. The one that I have,
All themes.
it is just playing to the background. I can I'm gonna just do it just so that you can see what is happening. I can select, let's say, this one. Okay, I'm gonna select this one over here and add it here. You see, that's the one.
Join thousands of happy users enjoying AI.
So if I'm gonna select this one and take it all the way, because this one it's just 19 seconds. It's not a long one. I'm gonna have to grab it and take it all the way. I can select the other one and delete it with a delete. Okay, and this one. With right click I can select and say audio settings just to make it a little bit down, not to cover the narrator.
Add engaging music and voiceovers to make your videos pop. Share your videos easily on social media platforms. Join thousands of happy users enjoying AI video build.
Okay, let's change this girl too. Okay, let's go to the videos and I'm gonna change this one to happy PC users. Okay. And I'm gonna change this with this girl so that you can see a very nice result. Let me show you now. And I got it back here easily.
Join thousands of happy users enjoying AI Video Builder today. Click the link in the description to learn more. Transform your video making experience effortlessly.
Okay, let's change the call to action and we're gonna just do user click on link. Okay. You see, we have it here clicking. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. This one, it looks much better. I'm gonna replace this call to action. And now I'm gonna take it back here.
Click the link in the description
and we're
to
done.
learn more. Transform your video making experience effortlessly. Don't miss out on creating stunning videos easily.
You see, now I
Start
have
your journey with AI Video Builder now.
perfect, nice and professional video in just some clicks. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Flexclip. I'm gonna leave the link to the description. I'm gonna have the link to AI Builder 2 to see this amazing platform because it is based to AI and it gives you many abilities so that you can create your videos in a few seconds. Those abilities you can get with Flexclip too. So it's your choice. I'm just showcasing every AI tool I have the ability to use, and every AI tool I have already bought, and I want you to realize that I spend money on those technologies. I want to meet them and be able to showcase them to you. Okay, so on that way, safely you can just see how you can use those tools and decide what fits best to your needs. Okay, if you like this video, just click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and be sure that you're gonna see very interesting videos using this technology, using the AI, and really saving the most important thing that you got: time. Wish you the best, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.